we do not have vibrations specialists in St. George, so we don't necessarily need a vibration specialist. It's good when you have one, but if you do not, there's no problem because Asset Watch is there to help you. It's a big advantage for a company who want to start in condition-based monitoring. But for us, if we don't understand the data, that's not a problem because Asset Watch is there.
Most of the time, we're seeing things out in advance, so everyone's going to think this is a good thing. But when you do that enough correctly, the times when something goes wrong very quickly, if I say jump, everyone's willing to jump. Some of the ones that were problem units that we were bringing up every few months, now we're going 6 months. Now we're going a year in between these same kind of things. You can get to the root cause of the problems. So really, it's identifying those things, making sure that you're on the right equipment, making sure when you are doing corrective work, you're doing the right corrective work.